Director just indicated that the issue before you today is not only the language, but also the amount of the civil fine to be levied for those areas in which I violated provisions of Oregon ethics statutes. As you deliberate on that question, I would ask you to consider a number of factors. First, when these allegations surfaced 3 years ago, I took them very seriously. I could have remained in office, but the media frenzy around this matter showed no sign of abating and was creating a huge distraction for the state in general, for the 2015 legislature in particular, and in my view was undermining policies that were very important to me and I believe to the state of Oregon. So instead of making the state pay the price during the long process of sorting all this out, I elected to step down from an office to which I had just been duly elected. Since then, I have taken the various investigations surrounding this matter also very seriously. I have retained counsel to help try to move this to resolution. That included my commitment to cooperate and assist fully as a witness for the state in its case against Oracle, which included retaining and paying for my own legal counsel, which would not have been necessary had I stayed in office. Madam Chair, members of the Commission, I served this state with honesty and integrity for over 26 years. And while I do not believe there is any evidence that I intentionally misused my office, I do acknowledge that I did violate several provisions of Oregon's ethics laws, which we discussed at length when I appeared before you last month. I do not contest the Commission's findings in that regard, and I stand ready to be held accountable.